If your garden still has bare patches, unfinished edges, or weeds creeping through every gap, ground covers are your answer. These low-growing plants do the heavy lifting quietly. They smother weeds, protect soil, and give your landscape that full, intentional look you've been chasing. Today on To Plant Studio, we're walking you through 8 ground cover cultivars worth planting in 2026. These aren't just pretty, they're practical, tough, and ready to work for you. Let's get into it. Plant 1, Veronica umbrosa Georgia Blue. We're starting strong with Veronica Georgia Blue, and for good reason. Come early spring, this plant explodes with vivid blue flowers that spread across its surface like a rolling wave of color. It's one of those plants that makes people stop and ask, "What is that?" Beyond the flowers, the foliage stays rich green and attractive throughout the year, so it never looks neglected between seasons. It spreads at a controlled, steady pace, filling in gaps without taking over, and adapts well to both full sun and partial shade. Use it at the front of borders, tucked under shrubs, or layered into mixed plantings where you want a low, neat carpet. Georgia Blue ties the garden together and announces spring with style. Plant 2, Lithodora Graceward. Next up is Lithodora Graceward, and if you've never grown it, you're in for a treat. The flowers are a deep, electric blue, star-shaped and almost impossibly vivid, appearing in spring over a mat of dark green, evergreen foliage. What makes this plant a standout choice is that it gives you structure even outside of bloom season. The foliage holds its shape and color all year long, so you're never left with a bare patch. It prefers well-drained soil and a sunny spot. And once it settles in, it spreads gradually without needing much from you. Plant it along slopes, raised beds, or border edges where the trailing habit can spill naturally downward. The effect is effortlessly elegant. Plant 3, Ajuga Burgundy Glow. Ajuga. Burgundy Glow is one of the most visually interesting ground covers available, and it earns its place even before it flowers. The variegated leaves come in a rich blend of deep burgundy, cream, and green, forming a textured carpet that looks almost painted. In spring, short blue flower spikes rise above the foliage for an extra layer of interest. But honestly, the foliage alone is enough to carry a garden bed. This plant spreads quickly and densely, which is great news for weed suppression. It handles shade better than most ground covers, making it an excellent choice under trees, along shaded borders, or in spots where other plants tend to struggle. Bold, decorative, and effortless, Ajuga Burgundy Glow delivers. Plant 4, Phlox subulata Spring Bling Pink. If you want a showstopper in early spring, Phlox Spring Bling Pink is hard to beat. The plant almost disappears under its own flowers, a dense, rolling carpet of bright pink blooms that cover every inch of the foliage. Outside of bloom season, the fine needle-like leaves form a tidy, compact base that stays low and neat. It's the kind of plant that rewards you once a year with something spectacular, then quietly behaves for the rest of it. It thrives in full sun, prefers well-drained soil, and suppresses weeds effectively thanks to how tightly it grows. Cascaded over rock garden edges, retaining walls, or sloped borders. Anywhere it can spill slightly and show off its natural, flowing character. Plant 5, Mazus reptans Alba. For the smaller, tighter spaces in your garden, between stepping stones, along narrow pathways, or at low border edges, Mazus reptans. Alba is the one to reach for. This fast-spreading ground cover produces delicate white flowers over a dense green mat in late spring. The blooms are small but plentiful, giving a soft, clean look that works beautifully in both formal and informal garden styles. It tolerates light foot traffic better than most ground covers, which makes it genuinely useful along walkways rather than just decorative. It also does well in slightly moist soil, giving it more flexibility in where you can plant it. Once established, it knits together into a smooth, continuous surface that makes the whole garden feel finished. Plant 6. Sedum spurium dragon's blood. Sedum dragon's blood is built for the spots where other plants give up. Rocky soil, full sun, drought conditions. This plant doesn't just cope, it thrives. The fleshy leaves form a dense, spreading mat that shifts color through the seasons, often taking on deep reddish and bronze tones that add real warmth to the landscape. In summer, clusters of deep pink flowers emerge above the foliage, softening the overall look. It's one of the lowest maintenance ground covers you can grow. Once it's in, it asks very little from you and keeps spreading steadily year after year. Use it on dry slopes, in rock gardens, or along border edges in full sun. It's as durable as ground covers get. Plant 7. Thymus pink chintz. Thymus pink chintz, creeping thyme, is one of those rare plants that's as practical as it is pretty. The tiny aromatic leaves form a low, soft mat of greenery, and in early summer, the whole plant is covered in delicate pink flowers that give it a light, almost dreamy quality. What sets it apart from other ground covers is the sensory experience. Walk across it, brush against it, and it releases a gentle herbal fragrance. For garden paths and stepping stone areas, that's a genuine bonus. It's extremely drought-tolerant, loves full sun, and needs very little care once established. Plant it between pavers, along sunny borders, or anywhere you want a soft, walkable ground layer that looks natural and smells wonderful. Plant 8. Epimedium amber queen. Rounding out our list is a plant that deserves far more attention. Epimedium amber queen. Sometimes called bishop's hat or barrenwort, this is one of the most underused ground covers in home gardens, and 2026 is the year that changes. The heart-shaped leaves emerge with warm bronze and copper tones in spring, mature to a rich green in summer, then develop striking reddish highlights in autumn. The foliage alone gives you 3 seasons of color. In spring, delicate amber-yellow flowers hover above the leaves on wiry stems, airy and beautiful. What makes Epimedium truly special is its ability to thrive in dry shade, a combination that defeats most ground covers. Under dense trees, in dark corners, beside walls, this plant handles conditions others refuse. It's slow to establish but remarkably long-lived and essentially maintenance-free once settled. If you have a shaded problem area, Epimedium amber queen is your solution. Those are your 8 ground cover picks for 2026. Whether you're dealing with dry sun, dense shade, foot traffic, slopes, or just too many bare patches, there's a plant on this list that will do the job and look great doing it. Ground covers aren't the flashiest part of garden design, but they might be the most transformative. Get the layers right at ground level, and everything above it looks better. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to D Plant Studio for more practical planting guides. Drop your questions in the comments. I read everyone. See you in the next one.